Welcome! In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. To turn off this watch we need to open the system menu. To do it, press and hold the lower button to open the toolbox menu first, then scroll through it by using the screen or by using the crown button and select the system icon and then tap on it to enter the system menu. Now scroll through the system menu and find the option called More Settings and tap on it, and here look for the option called Turn Off and tap on it, of course, and then confirm by pressing the crown button to turn off our watch. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.